Welcome everyone, it's another video. I'm out on the Murray River here. It's a beautiful morning. The river's looking a bit low, but hopefully we can get some fish in. So I've just got a rod here with a paternoster rig, and then a rod there that I'm going to put in yet with a running sinker. I'm going to put cheese on that one and shrimp on this one, and we'll see how we go. Today I'm using this 4,000 reel with 30-pound line. I'm thinking, yeah, it's 30-pound line, and that's the rod I won the Churrumbary fishing comp the other weekend. But beautiful rod, and hopefully we can catch a fish. It's first fish today. This is out pretty far, and the other one's out, just like, you know, at around 12 foot, just flicked out there. Getting a bit them, like maybe them yellows in a bit closer in this backwater. Get bites now. Yep. Oh, missing. Oh well, we know they're biting today. That's a good sign. Alright guys, I've just missed the hook up, but I've just caught a very, very nice Murray cod. It's a bit muddy here. I'll get down a bit into it. Beautiful fish it is. Have a look at him there. He's a legal size, this fish, indefinite, but I'm definitely going to let him go because it's a beautiful fish. Look at that. Wow. What a beautiful fish, eh? That's a wonderful Murray cod. Beautiful. I'm going to let this fella go. Oh no, very fat. A bit over 60. See you, mate. Beautiful. What a magnificent fish. That was on the cheese, so. Get this beautiful, this is a 6,000 Shimano FB reel, 40-pound line, and it's a Fish Quest rod. Pretty heavy setup for the bank, but it does its job when you want to get them big fish out of them snags. Alright, we're going to chuck this back out in the same spot and get them shrimp out there too. Awesome start to the morning. Hopefully we can get another number on the board, eh? Alright, second fish of the day on the shrimp. Baby little trout cod. How beautiful is that fish? Get the hook out so he doesn't get stressed. Oop, he's gonna not like me holding him like that. See how he flares like that? Get it. Try and not hurt him. There we go. Perfect. Just, oh shit. That wasn't the most graceful of releases, but he still ended up in the drink and he swam off fine. Bite on this one. Oh, look at that. Having a good crack at it. Look at it. Oh, no, 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 no. Come back here, container. Get it with me sinker. Beach it. That'll do. Alright. Just got in a nice silver perch from the shrimp on this paternoster rig. Let's get him fully in, eh? No, no, Chip, no. Alright. Beautiful fat little silver perch there. Mary River silver perch. Beautiful fish. Gone. Alright. Get another shrimp. I just went and got some fresh shrimp. As soon as that, oh, is that biting on the cheek? Look at that. Got him. That's another good fish. Guys. Oh yes, beautiful cod. Look at that. Wasn't even expecting that at all. Beautiful fish. Oh yeah, not as big as the first one for sure, but beautiful fish. Wow, lovely. Look at that, Chip. Got him in the net. There we go, got him, Chip, eh? Hey? Oh, what a nice fish. Probably nearly 50 centimetres, I reckon. Oh, beautiful hook up too. What a lovely fish, eh? Beautiful cod here. So good to see the river so healthy, and what I'm doing is that one before was an eater for sure, but I'm letting them all go because I love the fish. Very fat little one. I've been catching a lot of these lately actually, this size. Sorry mate. Get this out quick as I can mate. Oh yeah. Sorry. Hey. Yeah. I got him I just hooked him in the roof of the mouth there. So he's not bleeding, which is so good. Yeah, wow. Alright, get a quick pick, let him go. Alright, here we go, just at this log here. Beautiful fish right there, look at that. Ready? Send him off. Send him on his way. Right. Oh! Just taken off there. There we go. Let's go back up and try and get another one, eh? Oh, that's a nice bite. Got him. Good fish. Good fish, guys. Look at that. Wow, they go hard. Is that a huge brim? Oh, it's a carp. Thought that was a huge brim right then. Wow. Jeez, these carp go so hard. It's crazy. Look at that. Get the net here. Have you given up yet, mate? No. Alright, get him in here. Careful, Chip. Oh well, we're doing the river a favour by getting it out, getting it out of the system. Put me right over here in the rod holder. Would be a good idea. One very dirty, little disgusting carp.
This stew. Boy, come have a look at this stew. Hey guys, so today we're just
What is cooking? Good looking, eh?
this. So we got a little stew cooking.
Yeah, is it good? Chef Ramsay, eh?
Oh. That hurt my throat.
The muscles, eh? Bloody hell, half of the spice section in Woolies is right here.
That's him. Beef cup stew going and red wine.
Looks like something they serve kids at orphanages.
It's actually tasty. It smells.
Is it?
Yeah, I'll give you a bit.
Brown spoon. This is my friend Lachy.
His name's Lachlan.
Lock it on your
and
hop.
he's a very friendly one.